Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Bittorrent token. What's the current price of Bittorrent token? What is the currently prices goes at this time in a Bittorrent token, and what is the next move of Bittorrent token? In this video I will show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end, and remember that if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button now and stay connected with us friends. Now if we talk about the current price of Bittorrent token, so the current price of Bittorrent is about 0.007141 USD dollar is the current price of Bittorrent BTT friends. If we talk about the price change goes, oh my god, I'm really shocked to see this kind of change in a Bittorrent token. Oh my god, it's really a warning alert for us. As you can see here, last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change is negative. Oh my god, I'm really shocked to see this change. But let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the Bittorrent token. Oh my god, the last 1 day change is going very wrong. Negative 3.55% change goes. Oh my god, that is only in the last 1 day friends. If we talk about the highest price of Bittorrent token in the last 1 day, 0.007404 USD dollar is the highest price of Bittorrent token in the last 1 day friends. If you look the price chart of the Bittorrent token, so only and only falls occur in the Bittorrent token, falls down, falls down, falls down, falls down. Oh my god, only and only falls down, over and over falls down occur in the Bittorrent token from the previous last 1 week friends. So a lot of people ask me questions that what should we do at this time friends? Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold? So now as we think the price changes of the Bittorrent token of the last 1 week, as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 week change as a negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss from the previous last 1 week friends. Now it's time to hold your coin, your token with the last of this year friends. Maybe they take a jump in the May, and they will make you a millionaire in the money. Maybe they had a true USD dollar in the money. We can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies change your life in a manner friends. Now if you look the currently price change, as you can see here, so now they are in the jumping mood. So now we can't say if this jump is continuous jump of the Bitcoin token, so that will make you millionaire friends. Think about that. If this kind of change, if this kind of jump continuously occur in the for 2 days, for 1 days, so I hope they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar if this kind of jump occur in the Bitcoin token. Now they are in the jumping mood, so maybe this jump is a continuously jump of the Bitcoin token friends, and this jump is the highest jump of the Bitcoin token friends. But we can't say maybe they falls down. Maybe they falls down in the future, but on the basis of technical analysis, as you know, only and only falls occur in the Bittorrent token in the last 1 week. So after a falls, there is a jump. After a night, there is a day. So I hope there is a 70% chances today take a jump in the future friends. So what's your opinion about Bittorrent token? Please share in the comment box. And friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. That is very important for you. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news.